better pass money, yo. Where sweet pass honey, yo. If I fight, make a fight for the love. If I curse, make a curse for the love. No one, no complication. This is a situation.
Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial. So for this particular skirt, there's no we don't have an exact measurement, because remember you're gonna fold it into pleats. So I just cut about 2 meters, and the fabric was a little bit stiff for me, so I sprayed water on it to soften it, because I did that to make it easier for me to fold the pleats. This part is optional. But honestly, guys, I found this method extremely easy compared to measuring and folding the pleats before making the skirt. This is way much easier and faster. So guys, all you basically have to do is just roll the knife and just sew it. I mean, this is so easy. So when you roll like a good amount, just measure it to make sure you have your waist measurement. If you do not have it, then you will have to add extra fabric to it by just joining it to the one you're already working on. But if you have your exact measurement, then you are done. And if you do not have the exact, if you get the exact measurement you're looking for, you can simply cut the excess fabric off, and that's it. So here I am cutting the excess fabric from it. I'm gonna go ahead and follow the pattern and just iron my pleats. So this is it, guys. So you can go ahead and fix your zipper, fix your waistband, and hem the bottom, and that's it. You have your skirts.
Yes, make a grace for the love. If not fight, I go fight for the love. No one, no complication. This is a situation. Baby, oh, baby, oh, I want to love you for life. Baby, oh, come make I love you for life. I die with my best in now. Baby girl, you are the one. Love where I love you now. This kind of love where I love you now. Girl, I wanna be your customer. For your love, I be your hustler.